The supersonic wind tunnel is used during the high-speed aerodynamics lab. This lab is required for students pursuing the atmospheric flight technical area, but students pursuing the spaceflight area may take this lab as an elective. The lab is generally taken during the third or fourth year. In the accompanying class, students learn fundamental concepts of compressible flows, shock waves, and the flow properties around different objects. In the lab, students run experiments to emphasize the classroom concepts and learn about the different visualization methods for supersonic flows. The high-speed lab begins with an experiment in the ballistics range, analyzing the flow around different bullets. More details of the ballistics range are covered in a separate video. The remaining labs are conducted in the supersonic wind tunnel. The objects tested in the tunnel vary each semester, but in the past, students have examined the flow around wedges, cones, and supersonic airfoils. Some semesters have utilized temperature-sensitive paint and pressure-sensitive paint for analyzing a scale model of a space shuttle in supersonic airfoils. Regardless of the object, all experiments gather raw pressure and temperature data. Students use this data to understand and quantify the supersonic flow. Students also learn how to set up and take a shadow graph or Schlieren image of the test section. These images, which show the shock waves around an object, are captured using a precise setup involving high-powered light sources, mirrors, and spatial filters. Students then study the shock waves to deduce certain properties of the flow around the object, and compare the measured results to those calculated from the theory they learn in class.